Hello, my children. A very good morning to you all. I hope and pray you all are fit and fine. Are you ready for today's lesson? Say yes, teacher. Very good. So you're paying attention. That is very nice. So what I have for you today? We are going to learn phonic words. That is family words. We have learnt many phonic words, isn't it? Let us see some more. So today we will learn ALL, all words, IT, it words, IP, ip words. Shall we move? Okay, children, ready? Okay, all sit straight, fold your hands and pay attention. Okay? Now, first here in the picture, we can see a ball. We like to play with the ball. We catch a ball, hit a ball, bounce a ball, pass a ball. We play cricket, we play football. Correct? So, this is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B says B, A-L-L, all. Together, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Next, what is this? Mama is calling you. Hello, Sona beta, Sonu, Monu, come. Your food is ready. Come for breakfast. Isn't it? And see that boy? He is calling. He is calling someone. So that is call. C-A-L-L, call. C says ka, A-L-L, all, call. Teacher calls out your name, isn't it? To take attendance in the class. And then you say, present teacher. So that is call. C-A-L-L, call. Next, oh, so sad. See that boy? He has fallen down, isn't it? He is trying to learn to ride the cycle for the first time. And what happens? He loses his balance and he falls down. That is fall. F-A-L-L, fall. Now see that baby, small baby. It is trying to walk for the first time, isn't it? And the baby loses the balance and it falls down. That is fall. F-A-L-L, fall. Next we have this is a hall. Hall is the entrance of the house. We have the sitting area, we have the television. That is a hall. H-A-L-L, hall. Now what is that picture? That is also a hall. It is a big hall. We book a hall for marriages, for parties, for celebrations, for weddings. Isn't it? That is a hall. H-A-L-L, hall. Say with me children. H-A-L-L, hall. Now this, we all have been here. It is a mall. We have all gone to Viviana Mall, isn't it? M-A-L-L, mall. Now what is mall? Mall is one big place, one big building where there are many stores and restaurants at one place. That is called a mall. Okay, and we all have visited it. M-A-L-L, mall. Next, tall. Your mama, your papa are tall than you are? Yes, a tall tree, coconut tree is tall. Tall building, that is T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, now here Giraffe. Do you know, children? Giraffe is the tallest animal. It has a long neck. Correct? And ostrich, it is a tallest bird. So that is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Now what is this? Humpty Dumpty. You remember your nursery rhyme? Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Now we put on family photographs, friends, relatives, photographs on the wall. W-A-L-L, wall. So children, we saw A-L-L words. Okay. Now will you repeat after me? Okay. And you will repeat, you will remember, you will learn the spelling and also the meaning. And try to use it in small sentences. Okay. So say after me. Ball, tall, wall, mall, call, fall, hall. Very good, children. Clap for yourself and pat your back. Okay, and 5 stars for you. Okay. Let us move on to the next words. Now what is this? The boy is fit and fine. F-I-T, fit. I-T, it. F-I-T, fit. Now fit means you are healthy. You are not sick. Now when you get up early in the morning, you do yoga, exercise, you eat healthy food, you play outdoor games, you do your homework, and you sleep on time. So that routine makes you fit and fine. Okay, eat healthy food, exercise, play and sleep on time. Okay, so that is fit. F-I-T, fit. Next, hit. H-I-T, hit. Now you can see there a car has hit a man, isn't it? On the road. So children, be careful. Never leave your mama's hand. Always hold your mama's hand and walk. So here the car hit the man. H-I-T, hit. Now who is that? He is Virat Kohli. What has he done? He has hit a 6. So that is H-I-T, hit. Okay. Next, what is this? It is kit. First aid kit, a cricket kit, a football kit, a makeup kit. K-I-T, kit. Next, we have the lit. L-I-T, lit. Now your mama, she lits a diya in the morning, in the evening, every day, isn't it? Lit, L-I-T, lit. We also lit candles when there is no current, isn't it? We lit candles. So that is L-I-T, lit. Now here, the garden. Can you see children playing in the garden? They are playing in the pit. The sand pit. P-I-T, pit. Sand pit. You like to play in the sand pit? Yes, you like to make sand castles. Okay, that is sand pit. P-I-T, pit. Now can you see a man there? He is digging, isn't it? He is digging a pit. P-I-T, pit. Okay. Next, what is this? Sit. S-I-T, sit. Now can you see those kids there like you? They are sitting down and they are doing their homework. Correct? The teacher asks you to sit down on your desk, isn't it? Please sit down. That is sit. S-I-T, sit. And you can see their camel. That is also sitting down. And what do? We sit on a camel for a camel ride. That is also sit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Now, we have seen the IT words. Okay? Shall you repeat after me? Please do, children. Let us start. Sit. Kit. Fit. Hit. Lit. Pit. These were IT family words. Okay, very good. Let us move on to the next. We have here the dip, IP word, dip, D-I-P, dip. We dip biscuits in the tea and coffee and have. We dip the samosa in the sauce, isn't it? That is called dip. D-I-P, dip. And what is this? This is tip. T-I-P, tip. The tip of a pen, the tip of a pencil. And S-I-P is sip. You sip in tea and coffee slowly. You sip in the soup. You have it slowly and nicely, enjoying the tea and coffee or the soup. That is called sip. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. Next, this is zip. Z-I-P, zip. Now you have that zip in your jackets, in your pants. Yes, in your bag there is a zip. That is Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. This is lip. Okay. So we have learnt the IP words. So let us repeat. D-I-P, dip. S-I-P, sip. L-I-P, lip. Z-I-P, zip. Now I have an activity for you children. You can ask your mama to do it for you. You can learn the words very fast, very quickly and in a playful way. Okay, so let us see the teaching aid. Okay children, now we saw ALL words. Now let us make it easy for you to learn. I have made this teaching aid which will help you all to learn the words very fast. Take a big piece of paper, write ALL and the small pieces of paper where you can write that letter H, H-A-L-L, hall. Turn the paper. B-A-L-L, ball. F-A-L-L, fall. You can read like this. C-A-L-L, call. T-A-L-L, tall. W-A-L-L, wall. M-A-L-L, mall. It is a very simple activity and you can learn the words very easily. In the same way, I have done for IP words. DIP, dip. SIP, sip. TIP, tip. LIP, lip. ZIP, zip. And in the same way for IT words. LIT, lit. PIT, pit. FIT, fit. BIT, bit. SIT, sit. KIT, kit. HIT, hit. I have shown you many ways how you can learn the words in all the phonic activities. So I hope you like the activity. Bye children and thank you.